welcome to the Baler Bulletin. My name is Ryan Underwood.
And I'm Elijah Powell.
Agwo David Emenike is a freelance writer, sage, motivator, poet, researcher, innovator, positive change facilitator, life coach, and visionary leader.
He states that synergy without strategy results to waste of energy.
Club Ed meets Tuesday, September 20th at lunch in room 196, main campus. We will discuss upcoming activity.
Attention, club and class presidents. Fall homecoming royalty nominations are due Friday, September 23rd. A Google form was emailed to all advisors. Please be sure to conduct nominations at your next club meeting and have your advisor submit the Google form.
Picture Makeup Day is Tuesday, September 20th in the ASB classroom RM 341. Photographers will be on campus from 8:30 to 3:30. You should be called out of your class to get your picture and ID card. If you aren't called out, be sure to stop by at break, lunch, or after school. It is also retake day. If you were unhappy with your picture, please stop by at break, lunch, or after school to get a new photo taken. Joke break.
You ever notice how windy it gets at football games in the Andy Harden Stadium?
Yep, all those fans. Now this is from the cafeteria.
You can apply for food services at the cafeteria. Get a form from Mr. Lewis at the cafeteria. Fill out your name, address, and phone number. And be sure to get a signature from the assistant principal. Bring your filled out form to Mr. Lewis, and you got a new side hustle. Working hours are between breakfast and lunch, and it's a really good way to make some extra cash.
I actually forgot to record my lines for this part of the commercial, so I'm just gonna keep padding for time until it changes back to the bulletin. La 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 la.
The Powder Puff football games are this Saturday, September 24th. The first game is at 2 p.m. between the freshmen and the juniors. The second game is 3:30 p.m. between the sophomores and the seniors. The championship game is at 5 p.m. Prices are $7 with ASB, $8 with ID, and $10 for general admission. We will also have a snack bar, so bring some cash. Come cheer on your class and watch the amazing cheer performances at halftime.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember, go Balers!